Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys all the locations for the pink and orange Starfall Shards in Heartopia. So we finally have the pink and orange one. I have been like anticipating for this Starfall Shard color to fall in this game. So finally it's now out. So again, I'm going to be showing you guys all the locations today. So it is the 6th of May, and I will also be showing you guys where Doors is. So the first Starfall Shard is located here on Forest Island. It is this one over here, and I'm just going to harvest that. Okay, so the next one is located here. It is right here on the map near the deer tower. And again, I'm just going to harvest that. For the third one, it is located right here on the map near Forest Lake. I'm just going to harvest that as well. Okay, for the next one, you will find it near the bus stop over here, which is where Doris is located. So this is the fourth one, and it is located near the bus here on the map. Then we have another one close to that Starfall Shard. We have a pink one here, and it is going to be our fifth one. And it is located right here on the map. For our sixth one, have one more located kind of near here. Oh, there we go. It's like downhill from the pink Starfall Shard, which is this, like here. Okay, we have three more. So we're going to go in this direction. Okay, this is where, oops. Oh my gosh, that rock. This is where our seventh Starfall Shard is, and here is where it is on the map. Okay, I think this is our, okay, this is our seventh one. There should be another one here though. I think I might have missed one. Oh, I did miss one. This should have been our seventh, but it's fine. And it is located right here. And we have one more, which is near that forest lake. I'm just going to go on this bridge. Oh, and here is our last one right over here. And here's where it is on the map near this area of the forest lake. And again, Doris is near the bus stop, so it's very easy to find her. I hope this was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, wait, where is she? Oh my gosh, I think I missed her. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. And if you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!